that you could be quizzed on next time. All right? Plus, I'm going to go ahead and cover the remaining slides here. Okay, so this is, you see this is working capital, cash, accounts receivable, inventory. Okay. And the current assets and current liabilities are intertwined. I want you to know they're intertwined. So therefore, we not only teach you how to manage, current assets, we also teach you how to manage current liabilities. Why are they intertwined? For example, you buy inventory on credit. So what will happen? Two accounts will be simultaneously affected. You buy inventory, so accounts payable will go up. Accounts payable is the credit extended by your seller, by your raw material, provider, and your inventory will go up. Okay. What is notes payable? Can anyone tell me? What is notes payable? Notes payable, yes.
When you get like a loan from the bank.
Short-term loans from a bank. So when you borrow money from a bank, what will happen? The payables will go up, and likewise you're going to bring home some cash, so the cash balance will go up. So that's why these two are intertwined, so we talk about these, simultaneously. Okay, let me ask you a question here. So I could ask you a similar question on your quiz, or I provide you this balance sheet. Okay? Help me find this firm's capital structure, debt equity mix from the balance sheet. This is, let me tell you, we don't use these balance sheet numbers for capital structure calculations. We use market values, but some people look at the balance sheet numbers to calculate the capital structure numbers. So can anyone tell me what this firm's capital structure is? D for debt, E for equity. Where will you go to find the value for D? D is debt. Can you read off from this? So this is the financing side. This is the financing side. This is the investment side. You raise funds from here, from this side, up and down, raise funds from here, and make investments here to create value. You can create value here, as I said, optimal mix of debt and equity. You can create value by borrowing, as I said, okay? And you make investment decisions here, once again, create value. So can anyone tell me what the value for D is? Remember I said long term. Capital structure refers to long, capital means long term. So where do you see long-term debt? Long-term debt, 454. So 454. We ignore short-term debt generally. Okay. Notes payable is a short-term debt. Okay, where is E? E for equity. Shareholders' equity, stockholders' equity, owners' equity, same thing. Owner's equity. Do you see owner's account here? Owner's account? This plus this? Okay. So this is 2269. 2269. Okay. So now, what is the total capital, long-term funds? The total amount of capital the firm has. Add the two numbers. That will give you the total capital. Or this is also called book value of firm. This is called book value of firm. Book value of firm. So which will be 2723. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Check my math. 2723. Okay, now convert D and E into percentages. Convert them into percentages. So this divided by this will give you approximately how much? I think about 17%, if I'm not mistaken, approximately. And the remainder will be 83%. So this is our firm's capital structure. 17% coming from lenders and 83% coming from shareholders, owners. America. So know all this stuff. This is important. Any questions? Value creation. All right. Okay, so the first slide says there are 4 basic areas of finance, and this is called business finance or corporate finance or financial management. So